Today I'm gonna show you 2 really easy ways to elevate 1 block of tofu for your next potluck or picnic or anything you want this summer. We're gonna start with this delicious caprese sandwich that I take on every airplane ride, and this salad with chickpeas and zhoug and arugula that you have never heard of before, but you're gonna want to eat it as many times as you possibly can this summer. So let's get into it. So first I want to start off by saying you can get everything at Trader Joe's, and I like to get their ciabatta over their baguette because it has a wider base. Then I get their vegan cream cheese, the vegan kale pesto, the vegan Zhoug sauce, the super firm tofu. You can also get extra firm, English cucumber, wild arugula, Roma tomato that I forgot to show at the grocery store, and the Greek chickpeas. These are delicious. First, you get the ciabatta and you want to slice it in half, okay? This is just half of the whole baguette. You can make like 4 to 5 sandwiches or maybe even just 2 depending on your appetite. And they show you guys exactly how I build this thing. So first you just want to drain out your tofu. You can pat it dry if you want just to get rid of the excess moisture, but you don't have to if you're in a pinch. Now we're not going to use this whole block of tofu because we're going to save some for the salad. But you want to slice it pretty thin, like this. And just make sure they're pretty even. We're gonna need probably like 3 slices. And that's about it. So you have the rest of that block for your salad. Look at that, looks like mozzarella. First, what I'm gonna do, since I have the plain tofu, is I'm gonna add some salt to it, because if not, it's gonna be a little too plain for my liking. If you're sensitive to salt, you don't have to do this, but I think it just adds a little oomph. Next, on the bottom half, doesn't really matter which half actually, I like to put the vegan cream cheese. Spread that liberally, almost as if it was a New York bagel. Do not be shy with this delicious vegan cream cheese. Honestly, it's one of my favorites. The next thing you want to generously put on is the pesto. I love this pesto. This is also a really good pesto for like pastas. Like Trader Joe's makes it so easy for you. Again, this is not sponsored. I just love Trader Joe's. I would totally work there. Don't be surprised if one day you see me working there as a cashier. I just love them. But this is such a good product. This is one of my favorites. So this is where you're gonna add your spinach. When you're packing it, you don't want a lot of moisture. So what I like to do is I just like to put the spinach first and then the tomato, because the spinach helps kind of act as like a little wall between the bread and the tomato. And then now we put our fresh tofu, aka vegan mozzarella. If you want, you can put even more pesto. I'm gonna put a little bit more just because why not? This is a sandwich I take with me on airplane rides, road trips, you name it. It is impressive. And voila. Look at this sandwich. This is incredible. Tell me you don't want to eat this. It is so good. I'm so excited. I can't wait to eat this. You can always just cut this in half, because it's gigantic, so it's definitely a shareable sandwich. Look at that cross-sectional view. Now that we have our picnic sandwich done, let's move to the salad. All right, now for the salad, you're gonna need the tofu, the Zhoug sauce, and arugula, and chickpeas, pumpkin seeds, and a little salt. So now you're gonna take the rest of that tofu that you had and you're gonna cut it into cubes. The closer you have them in size, the better, because you know, who doesn't like things that look the same in size. I have a little bowl here. Put them in here. And you're just gonna add a little bit of salt to this because again, tofu is pretty bland. So even if your sauce is salted, it's always good to add a little bit of salt. Now the Zhoug sauce, if you guys have never tried zhoug, it is a Yemenese green salsa, if you will. It is spicy, so if you're sensitive to spice, be careful. I'm gonna add a good, generous portion. I like spicy, so I have no problem with that. I might have to steal a little sample. Look at this. Let's do a taste test. This is so good. I'm gonna add a little more salt. You're also gonna wanna slice up a cucumber. I do half moons. And I thought we were gonna be able to do it in that smaller bowl, but I don't think it's gonna happen. So I'm gonna add the cucumbers here. And now we're gonna take a big handful of arugula. I love the Trader Joe's stuff because it's already washed. Do you guys wash your pre-washed produce? It says triple washed. Do you trust it, is my question. Next, for protein and fiber, I love these Greek chickpeas. They're amazing. The nice thing about this salad is that you don't even need to make dressing because everything's already seasoned. The Zhoug sauce is kind of like your dressing. These chickpeas are already seasoned and dressed. This is your cheater hack salad, okay? And now we're just gonna throw in the tofu, the Zhoug tofu. And now you toss. Just toss and mix. I might be ambitious for trying to mix this just with 1 spoon, but this is the world's easiest, tastiest salad. And then to finish it off, I'm adding pumpkin seeds because we need that crunch. And voila, you're done. This looks amazing. Look at this salad. Now, I'm sure you guys are wondering what this tastes like, so let me show you. It tastes extra delicious when you're starving. Pair with potato chips. And this salad, I've been dreaming about eating it again since the first time I made it. It's so good. So easy. Get ready to impress this summer. And if you guys want to travel with me this fall, make sure to check out my international trips. I'm going to leave the links in the comment description below. Let me know what other recipes you guys want to see. If you guys like this style, I will be doing more restaurant features, so just stay tuned. And I'll catch you guys later on Ready to Be. Bye.